Hello everyone! Welcome back to Endless Learning. Today we're diving into the second lesson of our DaVinci Resolve video series. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to back up your DaVinci Resolve project files on Windows. I finished the work on this timeline and now I want to take a backup for future corrections. I'm going to export all the media files into one single folder. Let's go to Files, select the Media Management if. You want to back up a single timeline, select the Timeline option. If you prefer to back up the entire project, choose the Entire Project tab. Then, select the file destination to save the files. Ensure Use All Media is checked, and click Start. Afterward, go to the Output folder to verify that all files have been copied into a single folder. It only copies the media files. Now, let's export the work file again. Go to Files, then Export Project. Select the same location and click Save. Now, the work file is also saved in the folder and you can move the file anywhere you like. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to back up your DaVinci Resolve project files on Windows. Remember, keeping regular backups is crucial for protecting your work and ensuring you can make future corrections without any worries. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel Endless Learning for more tutorials and tips on DaVinci Resolve and other creative software. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us create more content to help you on your creative journey. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.